To truly know ourselves, it's important to reflect on the different aspects of our lives. Have you ever thought how important career, family, education, friends, fun, money, hobbies, and health are for you? They help build our lives, shaping who we are and affecting what we decide. Self-reflection is like gazing into a mirror, a moment to pause and assess the alignment of these different aspects in our lives. As Buddha wisely said, what you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. Career is perhaps one of the most crucial aspects of self-reflection. When it comes to our career path, there are 4 fundamental aspects to self-reflect. These are my skills, my values, my passions, and my goals. My skills. These are the tools in your toolbox. Reflecting on your skills means assessing what you excel at and where you shine. For example, let's say you are good at problem solving and connecting with people, but you struggle with time management and public speaking. Your problem-solving skills can probably flourish in analytical thinking positions like data analysis, and your interpersonal skills can flourish in leadership. As for the skills where you're not as strong, you can try creating daily schedules to improve your time management. In a similar way, you can practice speaking in front of a mirror to improve your public speaking skills. My values. They serve as your moral compass. Let's say you're passionate about making a positive impact and contributing to something meaningful. Then helping others, being drawn to sustainability, environmental problems, and social care could matter a lot to you. If that's the case, then you can explore environmental, social, or humanitarian organizations that align with your values. My passions. They fuel your drive. Reflecting on your passions prompts you to explore what you love doing beyond mere obligation. Let's say your passions are listening to music, taking pictures, traveling, and reading. As for your interest in music, you might explore roles involving creating music tracks in recording studios. As for your interest in photography and traveling, you can combine them by becoming a travel blogger. Finally, if you like reading, you may consider working in a library or bookstore environment, surrounded by books. Finally, my goals. They are the destinations you aim for. In the journey of self-discovery, you need to set SMART goals. That is, goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific goal clearly defines what you want to achieve. A measurable goal is the one that allows you to track progress. For example, instead of saying, I want to do more sports, you could say, I want to do more sports by going to the gym at least 3 times a week. Any goal must be challenging, but at the same time achievable. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Make sure your goal is relevant and matters to you personally. Keep in mind that a goal that is only motivated by external factors, such as money or fame, is irrelevant. Finally, make sure your goal is time-bounded. So set deadlines for each step of your self-reflection journey. Joanne Rowling once said, "Family is a life jacket in the stormy sea of life." But family doesn't solely comprise blood relations. Friends, just like our family members, offer companionship, understanding, and solidarity when we face difficult times. Family and friends are important for several reasons. First, they provide love, support, and belonging. Our relationships with our loved ones can help us to cope with stress, overcome challenges, and feel connected to something bigger than ourselves. Second, they offer a sense of identity and purpose. Our family and friends provide us with feedback, encouragement, and inspiration. Third, strong relationships with family and friends are good for our health. They can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and even boost our immune system. Fourth, family and friends provide us with opportunities to share experiences and create memories that will last a lifetime. These shared experiences can strengthen our bonds, make us feel more connected to others, and enrich our lives in countless ways. Finally, when we face difficult times, our family and friends are often the first people we turn to for support. An iconic figure in American history, Benjamin Franklin, once said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." These words carry the wisdom of the immense value found in the pursuit of learning. Education is a process of expanding our knowledge and understanding of the world around us. It can help us to self-improve by expanding our horizons, becoming creative, developing critical thinking skills, and solving problems. One of the most important ways that education can help us to self-improve is by expanding our horizons. For example, a language student who studies abroad or engages in language immersion programs gains not only linguistic skills, but also cultural insights. Education can help you foster your creativity, which is essential for innovation and personal growth. For instance, students in a computer science class might use their knowledge of programming to create a new application or game, or even write their own book on how to learn coding. Finally, education also helps in the development of critical thinking skills. Imagine you are in a history class studying a particular period in history, such as the Second World War. During the education process, you develop the ability to distinguish between reliable and unreliable information, understanding that not all sources are trustworthy, and practice articulating your viewpoints coherently and persuasively. Fun and entertainment are essential components of a well-balanced life. They reduce stress and anxiety, they boost creativity and problem-solving, they strengthen social connections, they promote physical activity, they enhance cognitive function and memory, they boost self-esteem and confidence, they encourage exploration and learning. Finally, they provide a sense of purpose and meaning. Let's get a few examples of activities that you can do to improve your life. To reduce stress and anxiety, you can go for a walk in nature, watch a funny movie, or meet friends. To boost creativity, you can try new hobbies, such as painting or writing, play board games or puzzles, or start learning a new language. To strengthen social connections, you can attend a sporting event with friends or family, do some volunteering, or join a club or group based on your interests. To promote physical activity, you can dance to your favorite music, play a team sport, or go for a hike or bike ride in nature. To enhance cognitive function and memory, you can play crosswords or solve puzzles, learn a new language, or read stimulating books. To boost self-esteem, you can master a new skill, such as cooking or playing an instrument, achieve a personal goal, such as completing a tough project, or ask for feedback from others to make you feel valued. To encourage exploration and learning, you can try doing something new like skydiving, visit a museum or attend a lecture, or travel to a new place. Finally, to provide a sense of purpose and meaning, you can volunteer your time to help others, work on a creative project such as writing a book or painting a picture, and more generally, pursue your passions and interests. Money and finance are important aspects of our lives. Self-reflection in the context of finances allows us to make better financial decisions. This self-reflection involves examining beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors towards money, monitoring spending and budgeting habits, setting clear financial goals, and assessing investment and saving strategies. Here's an example to illustrate different money mindsets. A person named Jim has an abundance mindset. He believes that there's always enough money to fulfill his needs and desires. He sees opportunities and challenges and believes in his ability to become rich through hard work and smart decisions. On the other hand, a person named Alex has a scarcity mindset. Alex believes that there's never enough money and worries about not having enough to cover basic needs. He often feels anxious about spending money, even unnecessary expenses, fearing he won't have enough for emergencies. Transitioning from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset involves changing one's beliefs and attitudes about money. Monitoring spending habits is crucial for financial management. Reflect on your spending patterns. Do you have a budget? How effectively do you stick to it? Examine your bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts from the past few months to understand where your money goes. Create a budget allocating specific amounts to each spending category. Setting clear financial goals also provides direction. What are your short-term and long-term financial aspirations? Finally, reflect on your investment and saving strategies. Are you maximizing opportunities for saving and investing? How diversified are your investments? Assessing these strategies helps optimize financial growth. Self-reflection in money and finance is a compass guiding you towards financial stability and growth. Remember, as Ayn Rand, a famous philosopher and novelist, said, "Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver." Time and health are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. Indeed, our health is our most valuable asset. Speaking of physical health, reflect on your diet, exercise habits, sleep patterns, and stress levels. Are there any areas you can improve? One way of improving your health is eating whole, unprocessed foods, as well as engaging in regular physical activity, whether it's brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Self-reflection can also help you identify your mental health patterns. Do you tend to get anxious about work deadlines, social gatherings, and public speaking? Or maybe you have difficulty managing your emotions and letting go of negative thoughts. If yes, then deep breathing techniques or relaxation practices like yoga or meditation can be helpful to you. Finally, self-reflection can also help you improve your health and well-being. Reflect on your values, preferences, and lifestyle factors that influence your health choices. Create a plan that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Remember, consistency is a key. Make small changes that you can maintain over time and gradually build up to more challenging goals. To summarize, self-development is a multifaceted journey that encompasses various aspects crucial for personal growth and fulfillment. A fulfilling career provides purpose, challenges, and opportunities for growth. Relationships provide emotional support, love, and a sense of belonging. Education and learning sharpen the mind, broaden perspectives, and enhance critical thinking. Recreation and enjoyment are essential for mental and emotional well-being. Financial stability offers security, freedom, and opportunities for personal growth. Finally, physical and mental well-being are the cornerstones of self-development. They enhance energy, productivity, and the overall quality of life. If you've resonated with the content of this video and want to continue exploring strategies for self-improvement, hit that subscribe button below for regular updates on self-development tips and inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your likes motivate us to keep creating content that matters. Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. We love hearing from our community and learning about your experiences with self-development. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and keep growing.